Welcome back, little monkey fans.
Today my little monkey and I are going way up to the treetop toy box for a Playmobil Dinos review. We have two of the Playmobil Dino sets here. One is a 42-piece set, and what kind of dinos are those?
Long neck.
That's right, the long necks, or the Brachiosaurus, and its baby. And for our second set, that's an 88-piece set. So altogether, we have 130 pieces that we need to put together. Isn't that super cool?
Yeah, and it looks like a club tail because it has all the spikes.
Yeah, it's super spiky. That's actually an Ankylosaurus. And who is the creepy guy up top?
A scary T-Rex.
That's right, a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Super creepy.
And it looks like there's two paleontologists. There's a mosquito in some kind of goo. And it looks like the volcano explodes. I can't wait to see how that looks. I'm so excited. Let's get opening. And here's our mummy and long neck baby.
With all 42 pieces that came with the set, there's some super cool things on the tree. But what do you want to show first?
The long necks.
All right.
And here's our baby long neck. And it like has little spots all over it.
It is so super cute.
I know. And both of their legs move. And even the back. So I say it's cool, but the neck moves down and up. So the baby can have some food.
That's so cute.
And here's the little baby's face. The baby's face is like so adorable. And
it looks like the baby's smiling.
Yeah, because it is. And there's two little holes on the side. And I think those might be the nose. And there's our long neck baby. Here's our mummy long neck. And her mouth opens and closes. And then her whole neck moves. Wow! And her neck goes down so she can eat food. And her leg moves too. And her tail moves all the way around too.
So cool, hey?
Yeah. She's all the same spots as her baby, but black dots kind of in her that the baby does not have.
Yeah, the baby has a little bit of a lighter skin, doesn't she?
Yeah.
And there's our mummy long neck.
And here is one of our little buggies. It has red and yellow spots and it's kind of shiny. And it has holes on the bottom so it can stick onto things.
Onto the tree it can stick on, yeah. See, it kind of looks like a lizard to me because of the tail. And then it's got a flatter head, but then it has wings. So cool.
Here's our next little bug. And this one, I'm not sure what kind of bug this is. But it has black and red wings.
It does. It's kind of neat, isn't it? It has like a long neck, almost like the long neck, and then like a funny little tail that sticks up in the back.
Yeah, maybe it's a long fly.
A long fly, sure. That's super cool.
Let's call it that, a long fly.
And so the rest of our tree has a whole bunch of different layers on it, doesn't it? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different tree tops. We have a whole bunch of different stems, some little bit of food down here that the long necks can chew on, and then kind of these long vines that dangle with some extra leaves and some flowers on them.
Yeah, and it looks pretty. Like that they're kind of white flowers. And if we turn it, there's a little bug hole that bugs can go into.
Bugs are maybe really small animals. That's cool, hey?
Yeah.
And then all of these little spots on here will hold flowers or some of these other bugs.
Yeah.
So cool. And then all of these ones come off too, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's kind of just a soft rubbery vine, isn't it?
The lily pad's upside down.
And there's our Playmobil long neck set. And next we have our Dino Volcano Set. There are so many super cool accessories with this set. It is amazing.
Let's check out the cool T-Rex. This T-Rex is so awesome. He like has dark red and like bright all like down his tail. And he has brown claws that look pretty scary. And it looks like he's having a snack right now with his sharp teeth.
What does he have in his mouth? Oh, he has the same kind of bug that we had in our other set.
Oh, it's the same bug.
It's the flying long neck.
That's
what you called it. So his mouth will actually open and close so he could actually chomp away on that flying long neck that we called that bug. Or the long neck fly, is that what you called it?
No, the flying long neck.
Yeah. And his super sharp teeth.
Which would not be good.
Yeah. His neck moves up and down, and his arms will move along with his legs, but his tail won't actually move. His tail helps him to stand up, though.
And there's our T-Rex, super duper cool.
Good thing the T-Rex went around back. We didn't want him to get our little girl paleontologist, did we? And here she is. She is got on a super cool top. It has some pink and some red, and then trimmed with black, and some shorts and some black runners. She has her hair all tied back. And it looks like she's holding some tweezers, like she's going to get a fossil out of the ground, and also a magnifying glass so she can see really close anything that she finds. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Love it. Super cool accessories.
And here's our little Ankylosaurus, and it looks like it's hiding behind the tunnel. Let's check him out.
He's so spiky, isn't he?
Or her.
Or her, that's right.
Oh, cool. Look at all the spikes.
There are a ton of spikes on that one, hey?
I wish I knew how many spikes he had.
That might take a little bit to count.
And his tail moves back and forth.
Cool. I bet he used that to fight off enemies, hey?
Yeah. And his head turns all the way around.
Wow.
Ah. And his mouth is kind of the same as the mummy long neck. It opens, but there's no teeth.
No teeth. And why is there no teeth in this one?
Because he's a plant eater.
That's right. So they don't need the big sharp teeth like the T-Rex to chomp down.
Yeah.
But you think maybe he'd have some kind of flat ones like the long neck does.
Yeah. So kind of he can chomp the food up.
Do her legs move?
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, they do.
And there's our super duper cool Ankylosaurus.
Fantastic.
Yeah, I love this.
Let's check out our next paleontologist and his toolkit. So here's his little toolkit. It opens and closes, and it has a little handle, and it has a whole ton of super cool accessories. So we have a trowel and a brush and kind of a chisel. Another little thing that looks maybe like a little file bit or something.
Ooh.
All of the super cool things that they need to help explore in the rocks for different fossils and bones.
There's a super cool T-Rex on the front.
There is.
Yeah.
You can see that. And look at the mouth. It's
I know.
chomping down.
Wow, wow, wow.
Fantastic.
Yeah, super fantastic.
And if we take a look at our other paleontologist, he has another tool in his hand, kind of like a little hammer chisel thing.
Yeah.
He's got a little vest. Look at his cute belt. And he's got his hat on. That comes off. And he has a lot of facial hair, doesn't he?
Yeah, and he even has hat head.
He does have hat head, yeah. Sleeves are rolled up because he's ready to work. He's got some cool brown boots on and some long pants. Fantastic. And there's our other paleontologist. So if we look around the side of the set, there's this super cool cave that the Ankylosaurus was poking out of before. And look at all of the different trees. And look, it looks almost like a little waterfall here.
And it looks like some yummy tree stars.
Yeah, super cool.
And there's some trees right here. These look like palm trees.
Yeah, it does look a little bit like palm trees, doesn't it? So it's a super cool plantation. And look at what's peeking through the grass bit here.
Snake.
A little snake, and he pops out.
It looks like that's a rattlesnake.
Yeah, he's gonna
Chow down.
chow down on something. That's right.
And here's a little red piece. And this red piece like flops around.
It is kind of floppy. If we turn it around and check out the other side, we have kind of a burgundy or reddy purple plant here.
Yeah.
Looks like we have a little dragonfly kind of bug on there, some other clear flowers, and another one of those jelly kind of floppy bits. And then what's in the middle, the gray part?
Hot lava.
Hot lava on top and the volcano, it looks like. We'll check that out in a second. So let's move on to check along out the rocks. What do we see there?
It looks like a rock. And this comes off. Oh, cool.
Cool. It looks like our paleontologist can
Yeah.
actually do a dig. And what is in there?
Looks like a fossil seashell.
It kind of does look like a seashell.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's a seashell or if it's maybe like a different other kind of animal, little fossilized in the rocks there that the paleontologist could discover.
Yeah.
So cool.
Yeah.
And then you can see a design that's left in the rock there that shows the different fossil bits. Fantastic.
Yeah, that's so fantastic. Let's check out the one right above it. Whoa.
Cool. What's that one?
This is a fossilized mosquito.
That's what it looks like, doesn't
Yeah.
it? It's kind of clear and you can see through it. That is awesome.
Because it actually is.
So cool.
I know, that's like so cool.
And then we can have our paleontologist kind of check it out with the magnifying glass.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Moving up to the top rock where the snake is. Let's check what's in this one. Oh, cool. It looks like a little bone of some kind.
It does look like a bone, so the paleontologist could dig this out. Looks like some type of creature that got trapped in the rock. And then it left a little fossil mark in there like the first one, right?
Yeah.
The little Playmobil people can dig through and find some real things to check out.
I know.
How awesome is that?
Yeah, that is pretty awesome.
So the last thing we need to do is check out the super cool volcano. You can see there's a bit of lava in the top and it looks like it's about to erupt. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Looks like the paleontologist got hit by the rocks.
Oh no, poor guy.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. To join all the fun up in our treetop, please subscribe to Little Monkey Media's channel. Don't forget, if you like our video, please share it and click like. We go bananas for toys!